guys, today here's my bag and we're gonna do something today in my bag, and you wanted to see what's inside my star bag. So I got this as a gift for Christmas. And here's a little star, and you said all of you wanted to see what's inside my bag. Let's see. Actually, they're fake. Yeah, I'm kidding. First, we're gonna start off tissue. So don't think this is tissue. Don't think it's a cracker. Okay, I'll just put it down. It looks like soap though. This is makeup. Don't think it's real. See? And then we have it's fake. It's rubber. All of you think they're real because see? Look. There's nothing. But all of you think it's real. See, it's not. It's fake. See? See? There's nothing. I have more. This is money. I have my purse. I have my... Everybody who can read this, can you in the comments? That is not really me. That is somebody else. And I have credit card. Don't mind it if there's real money. That's not real money. That's toy money. Even I have I have glasses, but they're little. Just put it right here, so over here, so you know what those are the stuff. I have a phone that looks realistic because look at the bottom. You can pretend there's don't mind. This is timer, mail, and you can draw here, like calculator, and texting your friends, music, checking the weather, and pictures, like right there. Okay, we're just gonna put it right here. And then a hair comb. You already see I didn't have bangs before. Now we have a spray bottle with more. I have water here, so it's actually not water. It's perfume. Yeah, don't use it like that. It's gonna hurt. I use it on this face. I have nail polish. Nail polish, but it's clear. Nail polish. You think it's purple because the container is purple, so I might put it on the top because nobody can see it. My keys to go inside the house. Fake. Don't think. And I have car keys. I am not a driver, please. It's fake. See, I don't even have my life in my purse. See, that is not. That's my picture. Just a picture of my, yeah, you know, no. And I have lipstick. Can go high. Do not use it really high. Low. Put that up here, or you can see it right here. Yeah, you can see it. And lastly, again, like this makeup, you can see it through. It's already eyeshadow, you know. So look, it's nothing here. Boom. Look. So guys, it's actually real, but it's blending in my color, so you cannot see it. Look, I can and it just came off. Do not think I am putting it over. that smell, guys? Check in the comments. Hope you guys see it. And these are all my stuff, guys, in the bag, including the star. Get this on my on electric.store.com, and it will show up on Star. And then this is like for kids though. I'm a kid. If you want it, just go to star.com. Bye.